Hi, you are watching JP Tarot, and right now I am going to do message from your person reading. Okay, what's message from your person to you? Okay, you have three piles to choose from: this blue ring, this yellow ring, and this red ring. Okay. So pause the video, choose your pile, and then come back to the reading. Okay. So those who chose this blue ring, you are up. You have reconciliation. Okay, you have don't daydream, see the ground realities. You are susceptible to be trapped, be responsible, avoid manipulation. You have hate your defensiveness but no revenge after marriage. You have unstable love, physical attraction leading to marriage. You have caution, don't jump off the cliff without safety, miss fame ahead. Okay, so right now might be that you are dealing with a person who is very much physically attracted towards you, and he wants even to marry you for that attraction. But good thing is that they are not liking your stalemate, or you are rejecting or pausing this situation. They are not liking that, but they are not going to take revenge from you. However, they can manipulate you to get your consent. Okay, and you might be tempted to just do what they want you to do. Okay, if they will say marry me or run away with me or something like that, anything, you are very much tempted to do so, because you are also attracted to them. But you need to see the ground realities, why this person is liking you too much, why this person, what's this person's interest in you. Might be they marry you, but might be due to out of that physical attraction and something like that. You have might be no talks right now. You are just in not good terms with each other, because might be due to that you have sensed that thing, and you know that's you know the reality, but you are still daydreaming that your person loves you, and you are avoiding that factor that they why do they want to marry you. Okay, and that's making some um, breakup like situation in between you, and you both of you are wanting to make up things right as it was before. You are wanting to create a reconciliation like situation, though you are not. I am not sensing that you are apart from each other. You are only not in good terms with your person, so you are advised not to jump off the cliff. Don't first analyze the situation. Don't jump, just don't take any hasty step out of manipulation. Though you are getting a marriage offer from this person, but you need to analyze things, why should you move ahead with this person or not, because the reason why this person wants to move ahead with you is not good, and this might to lead some short term relationship or marriage also. Okay, you need to just clear your mind. Are you messing up with your destiny, or are you spoiling your future or not? Have a healthy conversation with your elders, not your person I'm talking about. Okay, with your elders, though they will, your elders might deny, and you will say, I'm confused because I'm not going to give up on that person, I'm not going to leave that person. It's all right, but take a pause, decide. Even delaying a little bit things, 3 4 months, 6 months, will actually unveil that person's mask. Okay, and you will get crystal clear view of what's inside that person. Okay, that's my advice. Okay, so hope you liked it. If you liked my reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, so those who chose this Yellowstone, you are up. You have respect yourself, you have grief, you have, it's time to recorrect things, karma is on work. You have hate your defensiveness, no harmful, not harmful, and no marriage. Okay, you have dogmatism from the part of parents, no solution, then after 1 year take some move. Okay, so you are needed to have patience, wait for a longer time, because might be the person you are dealing with have hurted you because you are too defensive. Don't worry, karma will be paid off, and they will have to clear their karma. If they have done something wrong, they will have to pay for it. But since there is a card that their parents are also not going to accept you, or your person are not going to accept them because they hurt you in that bad manner, and they disrespected or misbehaved with you, and might be your parents know that. Okay, or their person are very much dogmatic type of person. They follow their rules and regulations, their clan and their society and their tradition, and they are not going to let their child to marry out of their society. So they are just not giving them any option to make you in that family. That might be also a problem behind disrespecting or misbehaving with you, because, and you are advised to respect yourself, see things, accept things as they are, because might be that person or their family don't think that you are at the par level of them. Okay, they think themselves supremer than you, and might be your person, they know that their person family is not going to take you as their family member, but still they were hasting things, and you were defensive, since you know that there are very much many burdens and obstacles in the way of marriage or something, some stable relationship. So you were not hasting things that was not liked by your person, and they insulted you or did something shitty and something insulting that is weighing on your emotions. But don't worry, they will have to pay off, and they will have to respect you. But before that, you need to accept yourself, you need to accept things as they are, and you need to respect yourself. Okay, so that's your reading. What's up in this relationship? This was a message. This can't be called message from your person, because that's message for advice for your relationship. Okay, so those who chose this redstone, you are up. So you have let love come out first, else ego will surface it. Wait for confession. Okay, so you have stable marriage, but after struggle you have to wait. You have physical attraction, you have, don't be fooled, wait for solid commitment, avoid backdoor commitments. You have sorry. You have trust your intuition. Too politeness is a red flag. Okay. So I think you lost one card. It dropped somewhere. Okay. So I'm going to pick one card from the deck for you, because your card, I think literally for, yeah, I got your card. Okay. Pain will teach them your value, else time will. There is nothing in your hand to do but except waiting. Okay, you need to wait. Okay, so if there is, you have someone who is though sorry because you are so much physically attracted towards you, and they were just making backdoor commitments, they were hasting things. So due to that, there was some struggle or some power struggle happening in between you two, and you just paused the situation. You are not doing anything, you're just indecisive, and something they did something. So they were offering, you denied, or you dropped that offer. You didn't deny it for the relationship, but you denied that offer. That led to some struggle and some mischief or misbehavior to you from their part, and that led to some, that caused you hurt, and you are still keen to reconcile. You are still keen to patch up with them, to reconcile, to confess that you love them, and you can't wait, and this is not healthy. You are advised not to do so. Let the guilty come first and confess. Okay, if your person is a guilty person, they misbehaved with you, they need to say sorry. Otherwise you will be trapped in a cycle where you will not be guilty, and you will have to say sorry again and again throughout your whole life in this relationship. Don't become a fool, don't become a slave, and don't become a person who is fooling themselves only. Okay, let them come first and confess, because they are guilty. If they are not doing so, let them to feel, to just let them to just feel that pain that they are going to get without you, and they will suffer. When they will suffer without you, they will get some pain that will teach them your value. Time is there. If pain and time will teach them your value, there is nothing in your hand. You will have to wait. Okay, wait till they say sorry. So you have very struggle before your marriage. You will have to struggle, because despite insulting or misbehaving with you, your person is showing that nothing happened, and they are acting very polite, and you are very much in a good place due to that politeness, that you can still make things right in this relationship. But you have not messed up, so you are not the person who should make these things right. Okay, your person needs to make things right. Okay, so your person needs to say sorry. Okay, not you. So wait for a while, wait. Okay, wait. And as the card said, you need to wait for at least, if you will be able, it will be good, because you need to wait for a little longer time. Okay, so wait for 3-4 months, or even you until your person's ego gets broken or melts. Okay, so you need to wait for that. Okay, that's your reading, pile number 3. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, goodbye. Please subscribe, guys. Okay, goodbye.